Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan Ramangi Hakerdog Ying Jongpi.
Hadin baladon ke Jingtih basangut kinong belati Dewïong kila sakut hakawai ke kerem Dewïong kabadan ha ompleng hagitan ki bahab apo East Jingtih Hills District unong elam kaliang persyak haying dorbar thaan ke jela u Dr. Mukul sangma ula keno baka jingyai peteng jong ke Jingtih Dewïong bean ha ke jela kadai namar baka jingdon ketilang jong ki Briew ki badan ha kabor bad ula ongru balada amdai badan keti ki Briew ki badan ha kabor anam don banut ban penken yakaan uni unong elam kaliang persya ula ong bakalong ka ai bom ngula ngai ban ong baki bor ka an kim yo i baka don ka Jingtih Dewïong bean ha ka jela namar baka kamti Dewïong kamdei ka kam ka baha banti da umok hiu ne da uborsha henrei ka dei ka kam ka bahab ban pendon kam de ki kor ki bor ki bahe bat ulabu jing keliru da ka baong kumno ki bor ka an kim yo i Shushu ulaong bala pihak kenang bon teli ki district ha ka jela kenang baki officer kin la ban sakri kambha bat ka khamat bat ka skor jongki kan poi wat saki jaka ba kendong tamru baki la ban pet ye ki jing e bat ki jing don kam ki paj ba bat kham tam e ban khang la ye ki no ki kam be an henrei namar baki Briew ki badan hakabor ki don kiti kim la le ai bat ki hab ban shu pet tang da ka khaman.
See, I received the input yesterday, and again at the outset I want to convey our deepest condolences to the members of the victims, because we don't know the exact number of the people who probably was the victim of that mine disaster in East Jingtih Hills. But 5 or 6, the number was not, final number was not available for us. But the fact is that there were loss of precious lives because of this mine disaster in East Jingtih Hills. On number of occasions, we have been trying to prevail upon the government and the leadership in the government to crack the whip and stop all illegal mining. Unfortunately, they have been always on denial mode. Whether it is outside the house or inside the house, we have raised this issue. And to yesterday's report, which were made available to all of us, clearly indicates that the illegal coal mining is still going on, number one. And when this illegal coal mining is going on, it doesn't end there. There will be many more other illegal activities which will be, offshoot of that illegal coal mining. That means illegal transportation, okay, and illegal sale, illegal transaction, and in the process, vitiating the environment through these illegalities, which affects the society, which affects the state, which doesn't augur well for the government, which doesn't augur well for the people of the state. So we must put an end to this. Now the illegality of this scale cannot happen. I repeat, illegalities of this scale cannot happen without the patronage of the people who are in authority. These are not mining activities which are done by, one belcha, one spade, that small coal mining activities of the past. These are being done with uses of heavy machineries. If you look at that initial one, when the crank fell down, that means heavy machineries. So the whole mining activities cannot skip the attention of the people in authority. You have all the wherewithal. It is not a very big state. In fact, that's the reason why we have created new districts, so that we can have more supervision. Jingtih Hills district, we ultimately created new districts, so East Jingtih Hills and West Jingtih Hills. So you have more officers, more eyes, more ears. That's right. But safe to say that now, if the government of the day choose to allow these illegalities to happen, who can stop it? Only when people decide to stop it, only then it will stop. I hope the people of the state will decide once for all to stop this. Because illegal coal mining is as bad as robbing the state. All these illegally coal mine, where are they going? How are they going? So the precious resources, the revenue which would have accrued to the government exchequer is not coming. Out of that revenue which is accrued to the government exchequer through realization of royalty and GST, the royalty share comes to district council. What is happening to the district councils? The district councils are not being able to fulfill their responsibility as per the mandate of the law, as per the mandate of the constitution. Whether it is Jingtih's Autonomous District Council, whether it is Garo's Autonomous District Council, they are in red. Why? One has to find these answers. Because of these illegalities. The money which would have come to the coffers of the state is going somewhere else. So it is against the interest of the state, against the interest of the people. This must end.